Is your Lorex DVR showing the wrong date and time again and again, even after you set it correctly? Don't worry, this is a very common problem, and in most cases, it can be fixed easily. In today's video, I'll show you a real and effective method to solve the date and time reset issue permanently.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First, power off your Lorex DVR completely and disconnect it from the power source. For safety, wait about 30 seconds before opening the DVR cover. Next, locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. It's a small, round, coin cell battery, usually similar to a CR2032 battery found in computer motherboards. The CMOS battery stores important system settings, including the date and time. When this battery becomes weak or dead, the DVR may lose its settings every time it is powered off or rebooted. Carefully remove the old CMOS battery and replace it with a new one of the same type. Make sure the battery is installed in the correct direction. Once the new battery is installed, close the DVR cover and power the system back on. Now go to the DVR settings, set the correct date, time, and time zone, then save the settings. In more than 90% of cases, replacing the CMOS battery permanently fixes the date and time reset problem. If your DVR still shows the wrong date and time after replacing the battery, check the NTP or Internet Time Synchronization settings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technical Thinker for more CCTV and DVR troubleshooting guides.